AICC വക്താവ് രൺദീപ് സിംഗ് സുർജേവാല വാർത്താ സമ്മേളനം നടത്തുകയാണ്. തത്സമയം
benefit that has been granted because no such benefit was granted. Number 3, there has been no wrongdoing on part of either the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Oman Chandi or on part of any other minister. And we have said we are open to conduct of, unlike the Bharatiya Janata Party and many other political parties, conduct of any inquiry. Having said all these, the same accused who is now leveling these frivolous allegations, not so long ago, in fact in the recent past, as early as April 4, 2014, had also said that she was being offered rupees 10 crore in bribe for leveling allegations against Shri Oman Chandi, as also Congress government, which she refuses to do. And she gave elaborate interviews in this regard. We have discussed the matter in detail. Congress party is of the opinion that there is no need for Kerala Chief Minister Shri Oman Chandi to resign at this stage. Shri Oman Chandi has also made a detailed statement. He has said that he is going to discuss the entire controversy and all issues with all the coalition partners as also with all his colleagues, leaders of the Congress party. A detailed report will also be submitted to the Congress party leadership in this regard. Mr. Oman Chandi, as also Kerala government, is consulting not only the councils but all other consultations are taking place, and we will seek appropriate legal remedies whenever the need arises.
If there is nothing to hide, then why can't he face it? If there is nothing to hide,
Let me answer that and I'll revert back to you.
if there is nothing to hide, why can't he face this investigation which are ordered by the Vigilance Court?
Shri Oman Chandi more than once and Congress party have said that they are ready for any kind of investigation. And you would recollect, and may I recapitulate, after all kind of allegations were levelled, Shri Oman Chandi, as Chief Minister on the floor of Kerala Legislative Assembly, had said that let an investigation be ordered. The demand of the united opposition opposing us at that point of time was, let's order a judicial commission, terms of reference which will be decided by the ruling and opposition parties together, and all allegations of opposition parties should be included. Consequently, a judicial commission has been appointed. That judicial commission is today examining the entire matter. All parties, including the left parties and all opposition parties, are represented before the judicial commission. Honorable Chief Minister has subjected himself to the judicial commission. He has been interrogated for over a dozen hours before the judicial commission by counsels for the opposition. Whatever the judicial commission will decide, we will accept its verdict. All that I am pointing out to you, that the same accused was also present through her counsel before the commission. Not a single question or suggestion was put to Shri Oman Chandi, even when he appeared there when the counsel for the same accused was present. And same accused, who used to claim that Shri Oman Chandi is like her father and no wrongdoing has ever been done, has levelled allegations in the past on tape, as also on video, as also on interview given to various national and Kerala-based publications, saying that the opposition parties had offered her a 10 crore rupee bribe to level false allegations against Shri Oman Chandi, and her lawyer was offered bribes separately. So the credibility of the person levelling the allegations can be judged from the allegations levelled by her in the past. But I am not even questioning that. I am only saying that the matter, we will take recourse to all legal remedies, and having discussed the matter with all leaders of the party, there is no need for Shri Oman Chandi to resign at this stage, and all leaders and coalition partners will be consulted and a full report will be submitted. We will seek all our legal remedies wherever required.
One of the MLAs have been in Kerala on tape telling, or rather tutoring one of the accused what to depose before the commission. So wasn't he subverting the same judicial commission which the government has written?
Well, as I pointed out to you, that tutoring her or not tutoring her becomes irrelevant after the allegations that the accused in question, who is herself an accused, has leveled. So I think the issue becomes completely moot to be discussed at this juncture. Ma'am, I'll revert to you.
मेरा सवाल दूसरा है कि प्रेसिडेंट प्रणब मुखर्जी की किताब आज उन्होंने रिलीज की है। उसके बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा कि उन्होंने ये कहा था कि राजीव गांधी ने तो उस पर हस्ताक्षर ही नहीं किए थे जब उनको पार्टी से निकाला गया था उस पत्र पर। और उसके साथ साथ उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि राजीव गांधी ने उनसे पूछा था कि क्या मैं प्रधानमंत्री पद की जिम्मेदारी संभाल सकता हूँ। सवाल ये है कि आज जब उनकी किताब का विमोचन हो रहा था वहां पर, आपकी पार्टी से कोई भी व्यक्ति वहां नहीं था, आपकी पार्टी के हाल के दिनों तक वो सदस्य थे। क्या कांग्रेस पार्टी ये मानती है कि उनको इस तरह खुलासे किताब के रूप में करने चाहिए थे या नहीं करने चाहिए? बाबरी मस्जिद के जिम्मेदार उन्होंने नहीं बता पाए।
आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी,
नहीं सर, मैं
I'll come back to you. आदर आप दोनों पहले डिसाइड करें, देन आई शैल आंसर। आदरणीय राष्ट्रपति जी की किताब का जब हम अध्ययन कर लेंगे तो आपके सब सवालों का जवाब देंगे। मैम, आफ्टर मैम आई विल कम टू यू।
What you're actually saying is that what is ordered that an FIR should be filed. Now, when the FIR is filed, Mr. Chatty will still continue as Chief Minister because Congress has had a policy of not having leaders with FIRs behind them. Now, are you taking, this is the second part of my question, are you taking a leaf out of the BJP book which doesn't believe in taking action against anybody?
And supplementary, will it lead the party in the election?
What Renuji and Dada you asked, the answer is extremely simple. Today an order has come from a Thrissur court. Copy of the order will be available hopefully by late evening. We will study the order in detail and give detailed comments about it by tomorrow. However, prima facie, Congress party is of the opinion that there is no need for Shri
നിലവിലെ സോളാർ വിഷയവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട കാര്യത്തിൽ AICCയുടെ പിന്തുണ കൂടി ഉമ്മൻചാണ്ടിക്ക് ലഭ്യമാകുന്ന കാഴ്ചയാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ വക്താവിൽ നിന്നും നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാകുന്നത്.